Struggling with atomic structure? In this video, we're going to break it down step by step. First things first, what exactly is an atom? Think of an atom as a tiny building block of everything around you, from the air you breathe, to the water you drink, to the ground you walk on. They are so small you can't see them, but they are super important. Now let's dive into the structure of an atom. To help us understand the structure, we're going to use this diagram called the Bohr model, which was invented by physicist Niels Bohr. All atoms are made up of two main areas and three particles called subatomic particles. Let's take a look at the first of the two main areas. The first area we're going to look at are the rings on the outside of the atom. These are called electron shells. They represent different energy levels, with the lowest energy shell being closest to the centre of the atom. This is also where you will find one of the three subatomic particles called electrons. Electrons are tiny particles with little mass and, more importantly, a negative charge. They whiz around the centre area of the atom and are involved in all chemical reactions. Each shell can only hold a certain number of electrons. Check out my video on electron configuration to learn more. Let's take a look at the centre area of the atom. The centre area of an atom is called the nucleus, and this is where you'll find the other two subatomic particles. The first of the two is called a proton. It has a positive charge and an atomic mass unit, an AMU, of 1. The number of protons is also called the proton number, which identifies each element in the periodic table. The second subatomic particle found in the nucleus is called a neutron. It has no charge and hence is neutral and has an atomic mass unit of 1. Atomic structure is closely connected to the periodic table. Learn how in my next video, where I'll break it down step by step.